iOS 11.3, the latest version of Apple's iPhone and iPad operating system, is coming this spring, and it'll offer more features than you might expect from a .3 release. Whether you're interested in augmented reality, cute animoji, or just a way to keep Apple from throttling your old iPhone, damn it, there's something in this update to pique your curiosity. 1. Take control of your battery. I'm not talking about battery life. I'm talking about the ability to keep Apple from secretly throttling your phone's processing power as your phone's battery ages. Apple was caught red-handed doing that this past winter, and wound up having to apologize for keeping it a secret. And though the company apparently had a good reason for doing it, preventing unexpected shutdowns, the revelation left a bad taste in some people's mouths. 2. More Animoji? Got an iPhone X? Then you're probably familiar with Animoji, the floating animated avatars you control with your face so you can send animal-ified emotions to your friends and family via iMessage. They use the Face ID motion sensing camera array built into the front of the iPhone X. 3. Augmented reality goes vertical? Apple's ARKit augmented reality apps can be pretty amazing, but the world-blurring technology had one key limitation right out of the gate. ARKit could only recognize horizontal surfaces, think floors and tables, when deciding where to place virtual objects and make them appear to be part of your real world. 4. AirPlay 2? It's not mentioned in Apple's press release, but savvy developers discovered it anyhow. iOS 11.3 will bring AirPlay 2, which allows Apple to take on Sonos with multi-room audio playback. 5. Read and delete iMessages anywhere. It's one thing to get notifications on your iPhone, iPad and Mac when you get a new message. It's something else entirely to be able to delete a message on your Apple laptop and have that deletion reflected on your phone and tablet, too. 6. No hassle chat with your bank or store? Why call a big company or navigate their website when you can just ping them in your Messenger app? Facebook Messenger already offers such a feature, and iOS 11.3 will bring business chat to iMessage on your iPhone and iPad, too. 7. Your health, delivered? Also in beta, Apple's new health records feature hopes to provide something patients, aka humans, have wanted since the advent of the medical record, a way to easily access all of your medical records, no matter which doctor, clinic or hospital you pick, in one single, and encrypted, place.